IKEA has partnered with ROG on affordable gaming furniture. You know, we covered recently the Logitech gaming chair. They partnered up with Herman Miller. And that clip on later clips, it got a couple of views on it. People are interested.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the Herman Miller embody chair for a long time now. And they put a special color on it and they call it gaming. And they put Logitech on it and they put an X in it. That's the big deal when they put the X. Because it's Herman Miller X Logitech. And it's like, I'll pay 3 times as much because there's an X. It feels limited, special. Anyway, they did change some things about it. Not much, though. The material is definitely different. The mechanical components look to be the same. And they got the whole gaming world talking because everybody wants a better chair because everyone's trapped at home. So this sort of opened the door to these types of collaborations. So I can't say I'm surprised that IKEA aligns with ROG. They could do chairs, desks, some kind of gaming accessories, lamps. It's a whole culture, Will. I don't know if you knew that.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, it's a whole culture. So they're working together on affordable furniture and accessories with a line of around 30 products for gaming lovers. They're currently doing the design work right now. The range will launch in China February 2021 and will be available in the U.S. and elsewhere by October 2021. Are you excited?
I would like to see the branding for it. That would be pretty interesting.
They couldn't be further apart. IKEA, this simple thing over here, and then ROG, RGB, full blast.
Laser, sharp.
Yes.
You know.
Angles.
Yeah, a lot of those.
So yeah, you're right. That would be an interesting collaboration. We got to wait and see.